Hey everyone, I'm Rob. We all know that if you're looking to grow your business, connect with more people, or share an important message, video is the way to go. But let's be honest, creating great content can be a real pain. It's technical, it's time consuming, and frankly, it's hard to film yourself without doing 100 retakes. But what if we could make that easier? At Just Talk Studios, we'll eliminate that pain for you and deliver high quality video that not only connects with your audience, but also converts into valuable business. We've helped businesses boost their sales, entrepreneurs launch their dreams, and everyday folks become influencers, all by creating videos that resonate with their target audience. Imagine the feeling of seeing your service or message connect, your audience grow, and your business thrive. That's what we make possible. Our studio is designed to be a comfortable, low-pressure environment. You come in, you share your expertise, and well, just talk. We'll take care of the rest. Seriously, it's that easy. No more stressing about lighting, sound, editing. Just sit down and have a conversation. We'll work with you on a video strategy that can be a core part of your marketing. Whether you're launching a product, selling a house, looking to elevate your brand, or just want to get any message out there, we've got you covered. We'll help you build those authentic connections that drive results straight to you and your business. So what do you say? Are you ready to take things to the next level and ditch the video production pain? Check out our website, book a free chat, or swing by the studio. We'd love to hear your content ideas. And not to worry, if you don't have any ideas, we're happy to brainstorm with you. Once again, my name's Rob, and we look forward to seeing you in the studio soon. This video was recorded and produced by Just Talk Studios, the premier video podcasting studio in Bellevue, Washington. Visit justtalkstudios.com to learn more and book your session today.